What's going on YouTube? Thanks for tuning in today. And today I got some new camera gear coming in. I had a GoPro Hero 3 and I have now upgraded to Hero 6. Here she is. This is the latest one. So far really cool. It comes with a few different things. It comes with some helmet mounts. And of course all my other GoPro equipment I had before work. I used to use my head mount. So yeah, this camera is pretty cool. A lot better than my Hero 3 I had. The thing I like about it most is the screen on the back. Really nice. Comes with the case. It is waterproof and everything, just like my old one. I just updated the firmware. It took a while to charge. And you got your power button here on the side. Turn it on. Hero 6. And of course the thing I like the most about it is the screen on the back. That is pretty sweet. Type in there. So anyway, yeah, you can change a lot of the settings on here just by clicking, swipe over. And you got, you can manually change things. You can change it to a lot of different frame weights and resolutions. What I usually use 1080p at 60. So resolution, I'm going to set to 1080. And then 60 FPS wide. I like that setting a lot. You get a lot of it in the viewing angle, and yeah, it's just a really good setting to use. Other than that, it has Wi-Fi, GPS. It has something that I'm really looking forward to trying to use, and that is telemetry. The telemetry is used to the GPS, and it'll tell you how fast you're going, your speed, and like your G-force and stuff, which I think is pretty cool. So what I'm planning on doing is taking this, mounting it somewhere on my Typhon, sticking my GRPs on there, and then taking it and putting it on the road to see how fast I can get this thing to go. But yeah, other than that, it's a really nice camera. I'm very happy with it. A little pricey, but real good quality. But yeah, I'm going to go take my head mount here, stick it on, and I'm going to take some video of me driving this thing. So we'll see how it does. It's the first time I'll be able to use it. So let's see what this thing can really do. Alright guys, I just got back, and all I can say is this thing takes some really, really good video. That footage you just seen was unedited. I'm not going to do any editing to it. That is straight from the camera, straight off the SD card, and into the video. So that's with no editing. Imagine what you could do with some editing with this thing. You know, this thing could do 1080p at 240 frames a second. That's really, really high frames. That would really help for some like slow motion stuff. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this camera. Unfortunately, my computer does not like it when I run at 4K at 60. But I'm going to try to hook it up to my TV and see if that'll help. I'm not sure what's going on with my computer right now, so we will check that out. But 1080p at 60 is amazing. The colors really look good. A lot better than my old one. And the image stabilization is amazing on this thing. I was walking, it was like it was just on a gimbal. So here's the GoPro out of the case, by the way. Get some close-up shots of it. Amazing little camera. But this is what I'm going to be using, hopefully, to film with a lot more. Help me out a little bit. Really nice camera. And just so y'all know, I don't get sponsored by anybody. This is all in my own pocket. I mean, I like doing this stuff. You know, I work hard and I get to have some nice toys. So, thanks for tuning in, everybody, and hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.